Looking for a reliable power supply for your LaCie Rugged XL hard drive? Let's talk about the XMHEIRD 4 feet AC-DC adapter. This is a dedicated replacement charger, designed specifically for models like the LaCie 3018873U Rugged XL 2TB desktop external hard drive. Its core purpose is simple: to reliably power your valuable storage device when the original cord goes missing or fails. Now, what makes this adapter stand out? First, it's built with security in mind. It's not just a generic plug. It has passed FCC certification and is constructed with V0 grade flame retardant materials. More importantly, it includes key protections: over voltage, over current, and short circuit protection, or OVP, OCP, and SCP. This layered safety suite means it actively guards against power surges that could potentially harm your expensive hard drive, making it a more secure choice than many uncertified alternatives. In real-world use, the 4-foot cable offers decent reach, and the compact power brick doesn't hog outlet space. It accepts a wide voltage range from 100 to 240 volts, making it suitable for both domestic and international travel. Plug it in, and it delivers steady, quiet power. The major pro is clearly its certified safety features and specific compatibility. The potential con is that, as a third-party accessory, it's always crucial to double-check the model numbers listed in the product description to ensure a perfect match for your device. Compared to hunting for a used original charger, this is often a more affordable and new, guaranteed option. A practical tip: when you receive it, inspect the connector to ensure it fits your LaCie drive snugly before first use. And it's reassuring to know the seller offers a 30-day return policy and a 12-month replacement warranty, which adds significant peace of mind. Overall, if you need a replacement power source for your Rugged XL, the XMHEIRD adapter is a secure, well-built, and sensible solution. Thanks for watching.